like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So today we're gonna talk about Pi coin, right? What's happening with the Pi coin, and a lot of big news for the Pi coin too. So let's get started, right? So we're gonna go over chart and other things and what I think, and we'll go from there. So first things, big news, right? Pi coin, I know, like it just kind of listed, went to the mainnet like about 15 days ago in February 20, and since then it was getting really good volume. But if you see in the coin market cap, if you see yesterday, day before yesterday, it was in a, like a 10 page or 12 page, it was in 3000. What they do is, like, you can have a very kind of coin and you can have a lot of volumes, and it may show market up 100 billions, but really, right, your supply is kind of less. And so that's why they kind of see, like, if it's really getting that volume for a week's couple of weeks, then only they list it. And guess what, exactly that's what happened. If you look at right now, I mean, a Pi coin, it is in CoinMarketCap first page. You can see that it's in the page, I mean page 111 number. So that's a great feat. So I mean, whoever mined Pi, I know a lot of people say it's scam and all those crap, but I mean, if you mine, even if you have, let's say, couple thousand pies, you literally have 4,000, 5,000. That's a free money. That's a DeFi, right? So I also covered a lot of those DeFi, how to get those. So don't forget to like and subscribe, follow, smash that like button, right? So let's get it started. So Pi, if you look at Pi, 191 current price, 1 hour ins up percent. If you look at the 24, 6.83, and 7 down 14%. And let's look at the chart. So yeah, if you got in, I mean, let's look at the chart. One thing is really, right, it's kind of holding pretty strong. It really open up high, then dump it a little bit, open up about like a 1.5 $2, dump, really flush that out, right? Initial flush, a lot of people's like holding, maybe they had a lot of big bags. um, they really flush out, but again it really recovered, went up to $3, I think, right? And I think like March 3 314 kind of Pi day, they call it, right? 314. So I think it's gonna be big. And I think, like, I'm kind of hearing rumors like Binance kind of list. If Binance list, I mean, pretty good chances it may go up to $3, 3.5. Then it may sell off as usual. But one thing good is they've really got the volume coming in, right? So if you look at right now, 930 million, that's pretty high volume. And I saw like it was right over billion for a few days, so really good volume. And also, if you look at the exchanges, there's OKX and BitGet is getting 200 million plus, right? So Binance, like, with the volumes, a lot of fees. Also, a lot of people are asking where you can get the Pi coin in the US. So I think Pinex is the one where you can trade Pi. So this is open for US. So if you are in US and want to sell or buy Pi, you can use this Pinex, right? So you can get that. There's a decent volume, 2.8. It says moderate, but pretty decent volume. So you can actually do that. And there's a lot of exchanges there who are basically doing the Pi. I didn't see much in a DEX, but basically that's what happening, right? So if you look at here, there's a lot of information, right? You can actually look into the historical price, like what happened since the market, I mean, coin market. See, they not been tracking the volume before. They were, but 21, 22, 27, right? 27, 28 they started tracking, and market cap is 14 billion, 13, 12, 11, 12. So it's kind of 12 to 14. And volume, one thing, it's kind of subsided, really huge volume. Then I think it's gonna kind of go back up, then kind of slow down. But right now, still, anything above 100 million is a good volume, right? So if you look at here, what's looks like for the 24-hour for the top coins, right? If you start by the volume here, right? So if you look at the volume, right, like Tether is of course 109, Bitcoin 600. I mean, in terms of dollars, 109, 59. This is billion, 26. USDC is 10. Then you have 9, so most are USDC. ADA has good volume, then Dogecoin, BNB, then Trump has pretty good volume too, then Sui, Litecoin, Chainlink, then Pi, right? So it really actually surpassing Solana if you look at, right? So really Avex and all those coins, right? Or was the Solana was, sorry, Solana was up there, but yeah. But if you see, it's in 15 in terms of the volume, right? So it's in top 20 in terms of the volume. So getting volume, I think it will subside slowly, but if there's a volume, means definitely people are interested. Now let's look at, but the let's look at the chart, right? So what's going on? Okay, first look, then leap. Okay, I don't want to look and leap. It's just telling me join. But Yeah, so here, right, so if you look at here, we open up really from, I think it says 9 cents. I don't know if somebody was able to get it at 9 cents, but if they got it, congrats, like you made a killing, almost like 10x right there, almost 220 30x. But if you look at the support and resistance, what I can see is here it's finding good support around like previous resistance and finding good support around this 160. So if you are kind of looking at the option to buy, that's a good price, right? Like you buy right here. If it goes below, you can sell it out, but kind of long in, right now it's kind of hanging around there. So uh, I think if it kind of goes maybe 220, that area kind of look like, also that seems like a 50% favorite risk from here, right? From 3, yeah, about 2, right? So yeah, so I think right now as long as we hold this one, that's good. But definitely we don't have a lot of data, but if you look at the clear, like it was like a really very like uh, exponential rise, right? Like really, but that kind of broke out at 280. Now I think it's just kind of doing the price discovery, and the volume gonna okay, dphoenix listing, so pi network git.io listing. So those are some news, more events kind of going on. But I think like overall volume looks good, and with the binance listings, there's pretty good chances like it's gonna kind of keep going, but good volume. But congrats if you hold. But yeah, I mean, if you have lot, let's say 10 20,000, I'll sell at least some, right? Some people actually say like, hey, it's gonna go like bitcoin people sell. But one thing you need to understand is market cap, right? Bitcoin is 21 million, this one has 100 billion, right? So I mean, this going to, let's say, 1,000, that's probably not going to happen. I mean, it may happen like when the market cap is less, but as the more coin comes, you need to understand what is market cap, right? That's the whole world money. Like, basically, there's nothing but only pie in the whole world, right? I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, you can have your own opinion, but yeah, comment below what you want to learn, and what you want to know about pie, and how I can help you. But these are all my opinions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you, and have a great day. Thanks.